Are you looking to start a voice call on Facebook using your PC? Well, you're in luck, because I'm here to guide you through the process with the new update. Let's get started. First things first. Open your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Messenger icon located on the top right corner of the screen. Next, find the account you want to call. You can either search for their name in the search bar or scroll through your list of contacts. Once you've found the person you want to call, click on their name to open the conversation. Now that you're in the conversation window, look for the phone icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to initiate the voice call. And that's it. You've successfully started a voice call on Facebook using your PC. Enjoy your conversation with your friend or loved one. Remember, always make sure you have a stable internet connection before starting a voice call to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted conversation. So there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to start a voice call on Facebook with the new update. Give it a try and stay connected with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.